What's the meaning of bad debt? Bad debt. Bad debt.
Bad debt. Bad debt. Bad debt refers to a financial obligation that is unlikely to be repaid by the borrower. This can occur for a variety of reasons, including bankruptcy, insolvency, or defaulting on loan payments. In accounting terms, bad debt is considered an expense and must be reported as such on a company's financial statements. It can also negatively impact a company's cash flow and profitability. To mitigate the risk of bad debt, companies may employ credit assessments and collection strategies to ensure timely repayment. However, despite these efforts, bad debt can still occur and can have significant consequences for both borrowers and lenders.